There are some things a woman never fully wipes from her soul. No matter how many years go by, how many gifts you stack up, or how perfectly you play the gentleman, if you never spark that deep animal attraction in her, you'll stay the sweet guy she vaguely remembers. Because for her, a special name isn't just flirty chatter. It's a secret key that unlocks the most hidden parts of her. It's proof she's yours in a way she can't even put into words. Today I'm handing you 5 kinds of names that light her up body and mind. They make her chase you, respect you, want you bad, and yeah, even get a little hooked on you. The 5th one is so strong that if you drop it too soon, she'll never completely let you go. This is the stuff men search for when they're done with games and guesswork. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you how to call her something no other guy ever had the balls to say. Ever wonder why she forgets you, even when you were the most loyal, most supportive man she ever dated? You showed up for every meltdown, every 2 a.m. call, yet you still faded into the background. Here's the brutal truth: effort by itself doesn't keep desire alive. Owning your frame does. And a man who can't give her a name straight from his world doesn't know how to own anything. Let's kick off with the first play. The name that rips her out of her own little story and drops her right into yours. When she's just met you, she's quietly sizing you up. Is this dude another follower, or does he actually lead? Most guys blow it the moment they go with babe, sweetie, or princess. The same tired words every ex already used. Boom, your wallpaper. But when you lock eyes totally calm and say, "Come here, little wild one," something shifts. You don't explain, you don't soften it. You just roll on like you've known her forever. Her brain explodes with questions. Why that name? What does he see that nobody else ever has? That tiny spark of mystery yanks her out of her comfort zone and plants her deep in your reality. Women don't lose sleep over guys they totally figure out. They lose sleep over the ones who stay just out of reach. Most guys use pet names to get liked. Real men use them to lead. Ask yourself, am I naming her because I need her to approve of me, or because I've already decided she's mine? Only the second one leaves a scar. First move locked in, but keeping her inside your world takes more than one bold second. It takes knowing how her oldest instincts really work. Second, play the name that wakes up her ancient need to let go. Deep down, she doesn't want a nice partner. She wants the man whose presence alone makes fighting pointless. Try my little wolf, my pretty witch, my beautiful storm. It's half worship, half ownership. That sweet tension between your incredible and your mine hits a part of her brain logic can't touch. She feels seen for her power and gently claimed at the same time. Her body reacts before her head even catches up. Real dominance isn't loud, it's calm. It's the guy who doesn't ask permission to lead, he just does. When that energy leaks into the way you name her, surrender stops feeling weak and starts feeling like freedom. Third, play the name that secretly scares her another woman might take you. Nothing flips her competitive switch faster than feeling replaceable. So pick something that could fit anyone, but when you say it, it feels custom-made just for her. My little chaos. My favorite trouble. My favorite storm. She laughs. Wait, why that one? You just smirk and switch topics. Now her mind is racing. Is that name only for me? Could he use it on someone else tomorrow? That tiny drop of doubt is rocket fuel. She starts texting first, planning dates, trying harder, all because she's suddenly playing to keep a prize she's not 100% sure she has yet. Confusion beats certainty every single time. If this is hitting you different, smash that like button right now. It helps YouTube push this to more guys still stuck in the nice guy trap. Fourth, play the name that slips past her armor and lands on the soft spot she hides from the world. Every woman has that tender, slightly broken place she guards with sarcasm, independence, or perfectionism. When you name it not to tease but to claim it, her walls come crashing down. Try my little runaway, my secret mess, my hidden soft girl. Say it soft like you're letting her in on her own truth. No big speech, just quiet knowing. In that moment she realizes the tough front. She shows everyone is invisible to you. You see the real her, the one she's terrified nobody will love. And instead of backing away, you plant your flag right there. That's when emotional connection goes nuclear. Only do this if you're man enough to hold that vulnerability. Touch it and vanish, you're the villain forever. Touch it and stay. You become the standard every future guy gets measured against. Fifth and final play. The nuclear option. The name that calls her what you want her to become, not the polished mask she shows the world. Most guys worship the perfect version, my queen, my goddess, my everything. That's just handing her your power. Desire dies the second she feels above you. Instead, name the raw, untamed version hiding underneath. The one she's scared to let out. My little savage, my greedy girl, my perfect little ruin. You're telling her, I don't want the act, I want the animal, and I'm the only one who gets her. That single move shatters every strong, independent woman's story she's been sold. Suddenly losing control with you feels like the safest place on earth. This isn't about being cruel. It's about being fearless enough to see her truth and bold enough to say it out loud. When you do, you stop walking next to her and start walking 10 steps ahead, knowing she'll follow. If you made it to the end, you're not like most guys. Most bail the second it gets real. You stayed because you're ready to stop begging for scraps and start commanding attention. So here's your mission. Drop a comment that says to name is to own, and tell me what country you're watching from. US, UK, Australia, Canada, India, Germany, wherever. Her mind works the same everywhere. If this woke something up in you, hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because what's coming next only gets stronger. And share this with that one buddy who's still calling his girl princess while she treats him like a backup plan.